Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Easy Toys thigh and wrist cuff set. So let's get started. So this is the thigh and wrist cuff set itself. You can tie your sub's hands to his or her thighs. This way you have complete control for an enjoyable BDSM experience. The cuffs are strong and made of durable faux leather and aligned with foam to prevent scratching. The handcuffs are attached to the thigh cuffs with clip fasteners. Simply clip onto the ring like so, and simply to detach, pull down and release. It's very simple and easy. This means you can also detach the cuffs and use them separately, or use them in combination with other BDSM toys. All four cuffs are easily adjustable using the little buckle on the handcuffs just there, so it always makes the perfect fit. The wrist cuffs are adjustable from 11 to 28 cm, and the thigh cuffs just here are adjustable from 42 to 87 cm. An exciting BDSM set to add to your collection. And that is the Easy Toys wrist and thigh cuff set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.